Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So right now I'm wearing a Christmas sweater, but by the time this video comes up, it is the new year. So happy 2023 to everybody. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, holidays, and a great new year. So 2023, I can't believe we are here. Wow, 2023. So my new year's resolution is to look after my well-being. So I'm curious of what you guys' resolution is, whether it's the same thing or the typical going back to the gym or just try and be a better person, whatever it is. I want to hear what your resolution is. So again, mine is taking care of my well-being because I work about 3 jobs and I do quite a bit. I don't really take much of a break, and the time that I do have a break, I tend to go to the gym, so I don't really have time for some me time. I still want to go to the gym because that's still part of my well-being, but in terms of like everything else, I want to focus on my health. I want to focus on more me because I've been working way too much. So again, that is my New Year's resolution. So let me know what yours is. So now we're going to talk about today's video. First of all, I want to say this video is sponsored by Stylevana. Yes, the first video of 2023, we have a sponsorship. I gotta keep the lights on somehow. So again, this video is sponsored by Stylevana. I have worked with them in the past, and if you guys don't know who they are your one-stop shop for all your Asian beauty needs. They have a huge range of Asian products, authentic of course, and they sell them at a very affordable price. So the products that I'll be talking about, they were sent to me, but again, they do have a variety of other products as well, such as makeup products, hair products, and not only K-beauty, but they have J-beauty. I believe they also have Taiwanese beauty as well. So there's something Stylevana is doing different this year, and that is introducing these sort of kits. So these kits will be catered towards combination skin, dry skin, or oily skin types. Now these kits will be a complete routine. So there will be a cleanser, a toner, a serum, so forth. So these products will be catered toward the skin type. So like I said, if you have combo, dry, oily skin, these products would cater to that, and they are their best-selling products. And what I really like about these kits is that if you're new to skincare, you're just starting out and you don't know where to start because there are so many products out there in the market, I feel like these kits would help greatly. So the kits will help introduce you into certain products, like if you like this product, if you don't like this product, if you like this ingredient, and so forth, and kind of narrow down of like what products you like, what you don't like. So it's a lot easier to get into rather than doing the whole research. I feel like these kits will help a lot in terms of trying to find your routine. And again, it's a great introduction of what you like, what you don't like. If you like this ingredient versus that ingredient, it will help you narrow down what you like in terms of skincare, what you like in a toner, what you like in a serum, if you like this consistency or not. And it's a lot more affordable as well as compared to if you were to buy these one by one. Not only are you getting a great deal with the products as a kit, but also to help you start your skincare routine if you don't know what products to try out first. Because like I said, there are a lot of skincare products out there in the market, and it's easy to get lost and get confused on which one works for you. So this is more of a beginner friendly introduction kit, or if you already know your skincare routine but you kind of want to try other products as well. And another great thing about these kits is that they already qualify for free shipping. So once you pick out your kit and then you add it into the cart, it already qualifies for free shipping. And also you get an additional 15% off if you use my discount code. So here is my discount code in case you guys are wondering what it is. So I would definitely recommend using it to get an extra discount on already discounted products. But if you want a little bit more extra discount, then of course use the discount code right here. And I will also leave the rest of the information down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, definitely use the discount code if you are interested in the kit. Or if not, you could browse around the Stylevana website to see if there's anything else that you guys like in case you guys don't like the kits. But I do recommend it if you are just starting off, especially when it's new year and you kind of want to focus on more skincare related items and you don't know where to start. These kits are a great introduction to it, and they take the guesswork out of it. So with that being said, I wanted to talk to you guys about my products that are in my combo skin kit. But before we get started, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you guys love Stylevana. The idea of these kits, especially when you're just starting out. Like again, this is a great introduction into skincare, so I really love this idea. And don't forget to follow my Instagram handle right there. and let's get started with the video. So we're gonna first start off with a mask. This is the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask, and this is by Beauty of Jusan. So this is a very cooling, refreshing mask. So like the name suggests, there is red bean in here. When I initially applied it, I immediately felt the cooling sensation, and I was like, whoa. That was the initial feeling. And then I blended it out, everything was nice. And then when it dried down, it didn't have that uncomfortable tightening feeling when a mask usually does when it dries up. It was very, very comfortable. So this is supposed to be a very moisturizing mud mask that helps control the sebum, gives it a cooling sensation, hydration, and it's supposed to remove the waste without drying and irritating the skin. Like I said, when it was drying, it didn't have that typical like drying tight feeling like normal, like other masks do. This is still very, very comfortable. So it's also supposed to help exfoliate and clear the skin texture. The mask is very, very soothing and you feel very refreshed afterwards. And especially when you first apply it, that cooling sensation, that really took me aback because I did not expect that from the start at all. And also, it doesn't smell funny either. I smell a bit of the red bean, so this is what it looks like. And you get a very, very generous jar right here. I really do like this mask. I love Beauty of Jusan in general. All their products are really, really good. And just like any other mask, you use it about once a week. So if you guys are in the market for a mask that doesn't like have that weird drying, tingling, tight feeling while it's drying, definitely go check this out. Alright, so next is a cleanser, and I think I found a really, really gentle cleanser. Now I know a lot of brands say that this product is a very gentle cleanser. This is a very gentle cleanser, but this is gentle. Like, I haven't felt anything so gentle ever. Like, really gentle. So this is the Innisfree Green Tea Fresh Cleanser. So as the name suggests, there is green tea in here, and it's actual green tea leaves. Again, it's a very gentle cleanser. It's a gel-like consistency. So because it's a very gentle cleanser, it won't dry out the skin, it won't irritate it, and it's supposed to give a refreshing finish. This cleanser also contains 4 types of hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated after cleansing. It removes excess sebum and improves skin texture. This is refreshing, non-irritating cleanser. It helps calm and refresh after using it. Initially, I thought this would have a overpowering green tea smell, but it actually doesn't. It's very light, it's very subtle, like you won't even notice it at all. And I like the fact that it has like real like green tea leaves in there. So I feel very cleansed and moisturized and refreshed. It doesn't strip anything. It's a very hydrating cleanser. So if your skin is very particular, definitely try out gel cleansers. They would be a better alternative so it doesn't irritate and strip the skin. And it also gives like a bit of foaming action as well if you still are into that. So definitely do check this out because it definitely gives that hydration back into the skin. Alright, so next I have is this toner. This is the I'm probably butchering the name, Vita B5 toner. So this helps to reduce dryness, tightness, and roughness. And this is a very hydrating cleanser. But it's not like the thick viscosity of it. It's still pretty, you know, watery, as you guys can see here. There's no scent to it whatsoever. So what this toner is supposed to do is that it's a hydrating toner that's formulated to provide instant hydration to the skin. This is supposed to help restore skin balance, strengthen the skin barrier to prevent skin damage. So not only does this keep you hydrated, you can layer this over and over. It won't give you that tacky feeling. It will still give you a dewy, hydrated, supple look. And it's a great base for your skincare and for your makeup as well. So you guys are interested in a toner that's alcohol, fragrance free, is hydrating, and you can layer without having that tacky feeling. I definitely would recommend that because it definitely does not give me a tacky feeling whatsoever. And that's why I like in my skincare when I'm doing my makeup. If I'm not doing makeup, I can look past it and have the thicker viscosity. But if I'm doing makeup, I prefer to avoid that because it's just too tacky and it feels odd on me, especially when I have makeup. Now, I've showcased these in the past before. These are the Hymish Hydrogel Eye Patch in Bulgarian Rose Water. Now, if you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I did have a Bulgarian Rose kit to help for brightening, moisturizing. I have their moisturizer that I use as a makeup base. Great makeup base because it not only brightens the skin, it also gives me enough hydration. The Bulgarian Rose line is so good in terms of brightening, which is full of skin benefiting vitamins and minerals that have ultra hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties. So eye patches, Always a good thing, especially when you want to hydrate underneath here and if you're lacking the hydration, especially during the winter time. All right, so next is a ampule. I love ampules. I love my serums, don't get me wrong, but I love ampules a lot more because they are a higher concentration. So what I have here is the Misha Bee Pollen Renew Ampular. Ampular because there's an R after the ampule. So as the name suggests, this comes from bee pollen. So this is a restoring serum for damaged skin. This does contain 42% bee pollen, and with that, it's supposed to help irritate skin due to environmental aggressors while making the complexion appear fuller and more supple. So because it's more supple, there's more hydration, more moisture, and with that, it will increase the skin density. All right, so I got 2 more products to talk to you guys about. Now, when I first see this tiger, I automatically think of Tiger Balm. So I don't know if it's just me, but that's what the first thing I think about. So this is the Cica Essence Sun. This has SPF 50+, PA+++++, and this is by VT. So this is a very lightweight essence texture with immediately gives a cooling sensation on the skin to soothe irritation and redness. The Cica Essence Sun infused with Centilla Asica extract, lotus flower water, daisy water, and damask rose water to bring you the natural expression of moist and healthy skin without a white cast. So what I noticed with this sunscreen versus the other ones that I use is that it feels a lot more lightweight. It again doesn't give that white cast even though it comes out white. I feel like it smooths my skin a lot better than the rest of my sunscreens. There is a slight smell to it, but it's a sunscreen, but you won't really notice it throughout the day. But again, I do notice that it's a lot more smoother compared to my other sunscreens. So not only does this protect you from the sun with SPF 50, PA++++, it also contains the ingredient that helps acne prone skin as well. So if you kind of want like a 2-in-1 type of thing, I think that's a really great option. And last but not least, it is a moisturizer. This is the Etude Soon Jung, their ×2 barrier intensive cream. Now, first of all, before we get into this, I was so confused with how the packaging was because I thought that, you know, you have to like press down on this button or something like that. But in fact, you have to twist it. You have to twist it and then you squeeze it out, and then I hope you guys can see it. And then some gets dispensed. Wow, I can't speak it. So that's how you do it. And then when you're done, you twist it and then you close it. I thought that was so cool, and I wish I knew how that worked. I almost broke this. Like, I was trying to open it for the longest time. I'm like, why isn't this opening? And then I squeezed it accidentally. And I'm like, oh, that's how it works. Okay then. So anyways, like I said, this is their ×2 repair intensive cream. Now, I really love this. That is that it still feels very lightweight while giving a intense moisture into the skin. So this cream uses 93% naturally derived ingredients and minimal ingredients to balance, hydrate, and soothe the skin with every use. Panthenol, a skin benefiting compound closely related to vitamin B5, delivers deep hydration. This also has a low pH and free of potential irritants like fragrances, artificial color, and parabens. So this is really great if you have irritated skin or dried skin. So for me, during the winter time, this is best for me right now because during the winter time, my skin gets dry. Who doesn't, right? So for me, a 2x barrier intensive cream is the greatest thing for me right now because again, it's supposed to give a intense hydration, and I've definitely noticed that, but without feeling heavy. And if you guys know me, I don't like to have my creams making me feel heavy. Like, I want to feel the hydration and everything, but still feeling lightweight. I hate heavy creams. I really do. Again, if you guys don't know this, now you do. So that is all the products I got in the kit. So there is quite a bit of products that you get in the kits. Now, what I have here again is the combination kit. So what you will get in the dry skin kit and the oily kit, it would be different than what I have here. So every month they will have a different kit. So if this month's kit is not for you, you can wait till next month to see what they have. Everything here together is a lot more affordable than buying one by one. And also if you use the discount code, the price gets reduced even further. So you get even a bigger deal than, you know, just buying them individually. So again, if you guys are interested in this kit or anything else that's on the website in terms of makeup or skincare, definitely do check it out. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Happy New Year, and I hope you guys have a great 2023, and I hope this year is a great one for you guys because we need this year to be the year. Right? Right. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna take off my makeup and go to bed. And of course, use my products in my combo kit, you know, for my skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.